Okay, the very first thing we have to learn is how to do a knot. That way when we are sewing, our thread, our string does not come out through the burlap. So what I like to do is just make a loop in the air, which is a circle. And the short little tail here is what I'm going to pull through the circle. So I want it to go in through the middle of the circle. It's going to cross through and then slowly pull it, because you don't want a long tail here. You want to use as much of this long string as possible. So you're going to slowly pull it. You can even kind of push this knot over here towards the end. So what that looks like again is you're making a loop, push the string through the circle, through the loop, slowly pull it, and now because I already have a second knot, which is what I want to do, I'm creating a second knot right now, is I want to make sure they are going to go on top of each other. So I slightly move this knot down, gently pull as I push, pull, push. Okay, and that creates a very large knot because the burlap is so loose. This string, even with one knot, would go right through it, which is not what we want. We want 2 knots on there, double knot.